In this question, we have to show that the points A, B and C are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. So, it means we have to prove two different things. First thing, that the triangle is isosceles, and then it is a right angle triangle. Now, let vertices of triangle ABCB, A with 0, 1 and 2, B 2, minus 1, 3 and C 1, minus 3 and 1. Now, using distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Now, first thing is, let us find AB. Now, A, this point and this point. So, we are having 2 minus 0 whole square minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. Now, this becomes square of 2 plus square of 2 plus square of 1. AB is equal to under root 9, which is equal to 3. Then BC. B and C. Now, 1 minus 2 whole square plus negative of 3 positive of 1 whole square plus 1 negative of 3 whole square. Okay. So, this becomes 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to under root 9. This is equal to 3. AB, BC, and now we are with, you can write it AC or CA, one and the same thing. Okay. So, C and A, write AC, because then you have to change the signs. Okay. So, AC, now we are having 1 minus 0 whole square plus negative of 3 negative of 1 whole square plus 1 negative of 2 whole square. 1 square plus 4 square plus 1 square. This is equal to 1 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to under root 18. Okay. So, now what we are having, mod of AB is root 9, or you can write it 3. BC square root of 9 or 3, and AC square root of 18, or you can write it 3 root 2. Okay. Now, AB is equal to BC is equal to under root 9. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Square root of 18 is equal to square root of 9 plus square root of 9's whole square. 18 is equal to 18. Okay. Hence, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Is it clear? Because we have verified the Pythagoras theorem. So it is a right angle triangle, it is an isosceles triangle, hence we can say is A, B, C are the vertices of, we can just write it, therefore put here, hence triangle ABC is an isosceles right angled triangle.